Hey, this is Tim, and I want to tell you a quick story here. So I met a client early February. The client was already pre-approved by another lender out of state, and then the realtor recommended that the client talk to a local lender. So what I did is had the client complete the application. I got all the documents up front, got it over to an underwriter, which sorted everything out. And the good news is the client was already pre-approved for $170,000 with the other lender. But after we looked at all the documents, verified the income, we were able to get her pre-approved for $210,000, which is $40,000 higher, which really opened up her search, allowed her to look at a lot more homes. And also the good news is that when she actually found the home, we were able to get everything wrapped up in 3 weeks. Everything was smooth, no hiccups, and it just went really well. So I just want to stress that working with a local lender that verifies all the documents, looks at everything, makes sure that you have the green light, allows you to close fast and stress-free. If you want to work with a local expert, contact me. My information is below. Thanks.